Okay, this is the fourth installment of the power breathing series that I'm posting. In this one, we're going to focus on using sort of power breathing and tension building to improve your strength. Okay, the tool we're going to use to accomplish this is called power isometrics. For my money, basically, there's no better way to build just sort of raw strength. Okay, so we did power, which is strength applied over time. Okay, and we worked on just building levels of tension. Well, this is going to sort of help you develop the strength aspect of the power that you would need to do whatever athletic endeavor that it might be. Okay, so power isometrics, basically, you're going to put yourself in a position, you're going to apply strength, and you're going to resist your own application of strength, all right, such that you don't move from that position, all right. There's a couple things to know when you're doing power isometrics. Any muscle group that you're working, or position that you're working, you should try to work in 3 different positions. So I'll get to that in a second. Second thing you need to know is power isometrics is such that you really only need to do it once a day for maximal gains. Okay, anything more than that, you're kind of wasting time. Okay, so this is how I get probably 90% of my power breathing exercises in, is through doing these, and let's get into it. Okay, the first step is you're going to choose the position. So for this one that probably everybody has done is this. Okay, where you're going to squeeze the chest. Okay, it's pretty natural. So I'll choose a little bit different movement. All right. So I'm going to work my shoulder. All right, and I'm going to do that in 3 positions. The first position will be here, and I'm pressing up with my arm while resisting with this arm. Okay. The second position would be here, and the third position would be here. So I'm going through the range of motion that I want to strengthen. All right. Now I'm going to start by breathing in as I build tension. Okay, and I'm looking for somewhere around 80% tension when I finish breathing in for about 3 seconds. Okay, that's the building period. All right. So building tension for 3 seconds. Okay, at the end of that 3 seconds, I'm going to exhale with the power breathing style, okay, as I apply 80-85% power. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to hold that for, I generally count 7 to 12, somewhere in that range. Push it a little bit longer if you want to, okay? So here's what a power isometric would look like for the side of the shoulder. Okay, and shake it out. Go to your position 2, position 3. Okay. Now, power isometrics can be done for any muscle group, any sort of movement in the body. You just kind of have to be a little bit creative. I have a whole glossary of them, so if you're interested in one that you can't figure out, how do I work my back in this way, or how do I get, my core strong, or legs, or whatever it is, just send messages, questions, comments, that sort of thing. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I found it to be an immeasurably valuable tool.